Oh my god. Oh my god. Give it a rev one more time. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right, we're gonna go meet up with him after that crazy freaking experience that just happened. Goodness gracious, that was insane. That was crazy how fast that was. It about took my ear off. Dude, that was insane.
How was that?
It almost took my head off. It was so loud.
Was it? It was loud?
It was loud. Oh, dude, it was like insane.
Yeah, I think my dash said 145.
Dude, I mean, it was just like an instant. I couldn't move the camera fast enough. That's how fast you were going. I think I fricked it up a little bit. That's how fast it was, though. I couldn't keep up.
144. I was.
Charlie, what was your reaction?
I was smiling the whole way through.
Did you feel anything in your stomach?
No, I
eased
I was
into it.
trying to hold the phone up here to get his dash, and it was so hard for me to stay stable. Holy shit. That's 140.
Hey guys, hope you liked that video of the flybys. It's just crazy. It just blew me away. Anyway, I'm probably going to have a video of the 3000 GT come out a little bit later in the week. We did flybys with it as well. It sounds great, but it'll sound even better once an exhaust setup is on it. But yes, more videos coming very, very soon. Be on the lookout. Subscribe, like the video. Turn on post notifications if you'd like to be notified when our next video arrives. And guys, you all have a great day. My name's Cody, and I'm out.